Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Idris and today I'm going to be showing you how I made $5,000 last year investing with Robinhood during the market crash. So let's jump into my Robinhood account. So as you can see, in a day I'm up $53.67. In a week my account was up $1,527.15. In a month I'm up $1,033.89, and in 3 months I've been up $5,019.83, which is really amazing. That happened in 3 months. In a year I'm up $5,257.51, and if I go all the way back down here, back to where it says I want to go all the way back to 0%. Okay, right there. That's the closest I can get to, 0.67. So you can see that's when the exact amount I put into this portfolio was $22,875.75. So ever since then I've been up $5,357.61. So I'm going to be showing you now what stocks made my portfolio up this much since the market crash. So now let's get into it. So first I'm going to be showing you in this portfolio I own a dividend stock, and I also own a growth stock. Stocks I believe they're gonna be up in the next few years, so I own stocks like that too. Okay, let's start with Tesla. I own a fractional share of Tesla. I bought Tesla back after the market split, and I'm going to do another video of why I sold my first Tesla share. That's gonna be in another video. But I bought a fractional share of 0.610943, and as you can see I'm up 65%, which is $206.34. Moving on, I also bought an Uber stock. So I own 6.176717 of this stock, and as you can see I'm already up past 100% in this stock, which is $198.61. Also, I own Stag Industry. This is a REIT, and I own 7 shares and some fractional to it, and I'm up $29.90, which is 15.23%. Sorry. Costco. I own 33 shares, and I'm up $201.58, and I've been buying Costco consistently during when it was $39. I've been picking up a lot of Cisco. I keep saying Costco. Cisco shares. I've been picking up a lot of Cisco shares, and which I'm a big believer in the company, and I'm happy I actually did. And if this company goes back to $44, which it was last week, I would definitely be picking up a few more shares of this. But moving on, I own BP, British Petroleum, 37 shares, and I'm down $245.61. Geo Group. This is also a REIT. I own 21 shares and I'm down $172.10, which is about 48.47% of my portfolio. And CVS, I own 2 shares of this company and I'm up $2 actually, up 1.89%. Revolve, this is actually a growth company too. I bought, and it's a company that does that is attached to women's makeups and stuff, like Revolve and all. Let's see, let's go to the like Revolve Group, and it's engaged in retails and next generation fashion for millennial customers. And in this portfolio, down in this share in this stock, I'm down $369.20. I bought this stock when it was down during the market crash, and as you can see, I've already doubled my money, which is up already past 100% already. SPHD, I want to own more shares of this, but at the moment I have 33 shares and I'm up $117.09. Apple, I want to buy more Apple, but right now I think at this price I don't want to own any Apple at this price. I want the price to come down a little bit more. If the price comes down a little bit more, then I'm definitely gonna pick up some Apple shares, but as of right now I'm up $340, and which is 23.64%, and I own 13 shares of this company. I'm a big believer in Apple, and I'm going to be picking more shares, and I'm going to talk about Apple, the company, in the future, but that's going to be in another video on why I'm actually buying a lot of shares from that company. ExxonMobil, I own 50 shares of this company. That's actually a coincidence that the price is $50.10 at the moment. I own 50 shares and some fractional in this stock, and I'm up $377.73. T-Mobile, I'm a big believer in AT&T. I'm sorry. I'm a big believer in AT&T. I don't know why I keep saying T-Mobile. I think it's because that's been stuck in my head for a while now. So I'm a big believer in AT&T. I think I actually like the fact that they actually have a communication business, and they also have a media business. So which is different from Verizon, because Verizon actually only focus on communication. So I like the fact that AT&T has two, and actually putting their money into other things too. So in this portfolio I own 165 shares and some fractional, and I'm down $141.30, which is 2.86%. Anytime AT&T is down under 30, I'm picking up that shares, because I believe this company is going to surpass the price it is right now. But because of the pandemic, this company is still down, and right now they're actually having they're gonna be focusing a lot on the HBO, and I think this company is gonna do great in the future. And as of right now, I'm down, but I'm going to be picking up a lot of shares more. I want to get my shares in that company to at least 200, and so then I will start picking up from other companies too. But I'm a big believer in the company. Carnival Cruise, I own 30 shares of this company, and I'm up $256.11. I actually bought this company during the pandemic too, which is I started buying it at I think $12 $12. My average does say 12.78. That's because I already owned 2 shares before the pandemic. But when during the market crash, I started buying a lot of shares at $7 when the company went all the way down. So I'm up 66.78% in that stock. KO Coca-Cola, the price is 49.785. Every time Coca-Cola is under $50, I'm picking up a share. I'm a big believer in the company. I think it's going to be around for a long time. So if I could get this, actually this is one of the company I will actually want to own at least 1,000 shares. And if I could get my portfolio to that amount, I'm going to be really happy with myself. But as of right now, I'm up $40.94, which is about 1.44%. Dine brand, this is a company that owns IUP and Applebee's, I think. Yeah, and I bought this company when I had few change left when I was shopping during the pandemic also, and the market crash. I owned 5 stock. I bought, my average cost was $20 and just $20, and now I'm up $281.50, which is actually really good. I hope I bought more, even though I don't really like the way they pay the dividends. They're actually not paying dividends as of right now, but I could have bought more just to make a little profit on the company. But I bought 5 shares and I've already doubled my money, actually tripled my money in this company, and I'm just gonna keep holding it until the pandemic is over and I can sell this company and put the money into other companies. Disney, I own 9 shares of this company. I started buying at $115.45. As of right now, I'm up $615.13, which is 59.20%. Actually, I'm already past half of my money, half of what I put in this portfolio already. I wish I bought more of this stock, but I was hoping it went down more so I could keep buying, but I guess it didn't. But if this company start paying the dividends, I believe, which they will when the pandemic is over, I'm gonna start picking up more shares from this company. But as of right now, I own 9 shares of that company. Or Realty, this is also a REITs company. I own 36 shares. I'm going to be buying more of this company's shares. My average cost right now is 57.38 cents, and I'm up $137.87. As you can see, I actually also have dividend pending from them, which is $8.51, and which is also actually higher than the amounts they paid me the last time. GM, I own 14 shares of this company. I actually bought this company because I was one of the investors that I believe in actually owns this company, and when I checked their balance sheet, they actually have enough cash to survive the pandemic, and they have a good balance sheet, and I bought 14 shares of it, and as of right now I'm up $450, which I actually have doubled my money already in this company, which is 140.39% already. LEG, Leggett & Platt, I own 10 shares of this company, and I'm up $145.49. I want to own more of this company, but as of right now, if the company goes under 39, like I said before in my previous video, I'm going to be buying more from this company. AbbVie, I own 7 shares from this company, 7 shares in this company, and which is $166.02 as of right now. So I'm actually up in this company. If AbbVie goes under $100, I know it's still cheap right now, but as of right now, it's actually above the fair value, which is 103. Actually, they actually moved it up. So the company is actually making good profit, because the fair value before was I think $90. So they actually updated it, and now it's 103. So if this company goes back to 103 or maybe under $100, I'm going to be picking up a lot more shares from AbbVie, hopefully. Pfizer, I just added more shares from this company. Last week I bought like 10 more shares because this company is down as of right now. I've been actually waiting for Pfizer to get to this amount, $34. And since last week, this company came down, and I picked up a lot of shares from the company. As of right now, I own 77 shares, and I'm up $16. I think they're gonna make a lot of profit from the vaccine, and I'm going to be buying more shares from this company. Hopefully, I get it to 200 shares this year. That's the goal for me in that company. Starbucks, I own 13 shares of this company, and as of right now, I'm up $333.40, which is 31.35%. And I've been adding more shares to this company, especially when during the whole the GameStop and AMC dilemma. When Starbucks went under $100, I bought in about 4 more shares from the company, and I'm actually glad I did. 3M, this is one of my favorite companies as well. I own 5 shares from this company, and I'm up $125.57 as of right now. And my average cost was actually $154.35. I'm going to be buying a lot more of this company. Is actually one of the best companies to pay dividends out there. Then I want to have more shares from this company, probably 100 shares one day in the future. But as of right now, I'm going to be dollar costing into the company and buying more shares gradually. Duke Energy, I own 5 shares of this company as well, and I'm up $36.30. And my average cost was actually $87.53 in this company, and I'm going to be buying a lot more shares from this company. I'm a big believer in the business, and I don't think they're going anywhere. Southern, I own 16 shares of this company, and I'm actually up $78.87. Whenever this company is actually under $60, I pick up more shares. I've been buying the company since it was $55, because the company didn't actually really drop during the pandemic. It was actually went down to $43 most, and I've been buying it since it was I think 49 to 55. But if this company is ever under $60, I'm always picking up shares from the company. McDonald's, I own 3 shares of this company. My average cost was $197.48, and I'm up $45.66, as you can see. I'm a big believer in the company. It's been around for a long time. I think they're not going anywhere. Everybody's always going to McDonald's, especially kids, always wanting the kids menu and also. And I don't think the company is actually going anywhere anytime soon. Simon Property Group, I actually bought this company. It's also a REITs company. I own 5 shares. They pay good dividends. They cut the dividends during the pandemic. It was paying actually, I think, $2 and some and few cents, and they cut it back to $1. And actually, let me see. The last dividend I got from them was $6.63, which is $1.30 per share. I'm not going to be buying any more of this company because I already own realty income. Realty, realty, and I'm going to be buying more of that company instead. But the shares I own in this company, I'm not gonna sell them. I'm just gonna keep them for now. And if this company ends up going up a lot, and maybe in the future, maybe if they do a split, then I guess I might make a lot of money in the company. But as of right now, I'm just gonna own that 5 shares. I don't think I'm going to be adding more shares unless this company goes under the fair value. I mean, then the fair value is actually $151. But if this company goes down to my price range, somewhere where I can afford to buy more of the shares, then I'm probably going to be adding more shares to the company. But as of right now, I'm not going to be adding anything more to the company. I'm just going to keep my 5 shares for right now. So Idris, this is actually a company I got for owning Pfizer. I own 5 shares of this company also, so I didn't buy it. It was a company that I got for owning I think 50 shares of Pfizer at that time. I'm not sure, but it's part of it too, so I'm up $8 to $9.50 in this company as well. Kimberly-Clark, I own 5 shares of this company. Average cost $131.03, and my total return has been $5.87. I know it's little, but money is money. It's still part of it. I still made $5 profit, and I'm a big believer in the company, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And they have a good balance sheet, and they actually are one of the company. I think it's a dividend aristocrat company. As of right now, they pay good dividends, and they put money, some money back into the business and make the business better. PepsiCo, actually own more shares of this company, but I sold out at the time. I was thinking, I own Coca-Cola, why should I buy Pepsi? But owning both of them are actually a good thing. Also, it's they're one of the recession-proof actually dividend company, and during the recession they were barely affected, and they came down, but the price was down. But at the same time, people gotta drink water, people gotta drink Pepsi, people take and they have a lot of different type of goods they produce in the company, and the company is really great. So I started picking more shares of this. Actually, I think last week I started buying starting a new position in this company last week, and I'm hoping to be buying more of this company if it's under 140. I think 141 is the fair value. I know I'm not checking it, but most of the time when you look at this companies over and over and over and over, you start remembering what the fair values of the companies are without looking at them. Chevron, I'm actually going to be buying a lot more of this shares. I'm a big believer. I don't think oil is going anywhere anytime soon. I mean, sure, electric vehicles gonna take over the world, but it's not gonna be tomorrow. It's gonna be it's not gonna be a decade from now. I think at least 20-30 years from now, then it's gonna start gradually taking over the market. But as of right now, we still do need oil. We still need oil at the moment. So, and this is one of the big giants in oils. So they send ExxonMobil. they're the two big giants. I'm not gonna be adding any more shares of my BP too, so I'm just gonna be buying Chevron and ExxonMobil instead. Caterpillar, I own a fraction of this share, so 0.276067, and I'm up $3 actually. I'm going to be buying more of this company. I wish I bought it when this company was actually down to $95. I would have made a good profit from the company, even though I wasn't going to sell it. But a good profit would have been nice. But I didn't. I was putting my money into other companies at that time. But you know, you learn things as you invest, and you try to do better in the future. But I'm up $30 in that company, and my last one is Johnson & Johnson. So I own 4 shares. I'm gonna be adding a lot more shares. Johnson & Johnson, they actually got approved for the vaccine. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, please comment down below and correct me. But I think they got approved for the vaccine, and I think that they're gonna be making a good profit from that investment as well. And I'm up $8.50 in this stock, and I hope in the future I own hundreds of shares from this company. They are actually one of the dividend aristocrats too. They pay, the dividends are good. They reinvest more, some profit back into the company. It's not really just about a company that pays high dividends. It's also more about a company reinvesting more money into the company and researching other stuffs. And I think that's the last one. Those are the companies that actually pushed my portfolio up, which made me make profit. I own a few other companies in this portfolio, but as of right now, those are the companies that actually pushed it up. I'm not going to be going through those other companies, but most of them I'm going to be selling my position out of it. Well, maybe when the pandemic is over and the economy is stable again, then if I actually reach the same price I bought those companies at then or above those, I'm going to be selling my position in those companies and putting the money back into a good dividend company I believe in. So I think that is it for right now, and I just wanted to update you guys with how my portfolio is doing. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any question for me, and I'll see you guys in the other video. Thank you. Bye.